Hey everybody, we are in the raceramps.com booth here at 23769, booth number at SEMA Show 2023 in the Central Hall. And I have right here representing Race Ramps, Christina Kwan. She is with Race Ramps and Kwan International Marketing and Media as well. It's also located here in Las Vegas. This is your C5 and you built this and you raced this thing, right?
Yes.
So tell us a little bit about it.
I actually was going to trade this in for an SUV. I went down to the dealership. I said, what will you give me? I did a little bit of mod on it, but not what you see today. And they said, we're going to give you what the auction value is. I said, you're out of your mind.
Right.
So I started taking one thing apart, took another, and all of a sudden I was down to the block. So I built it all back up. It's got a Lopi cam in it. We run it down the quarter mile. I love working on cars because I think being a part of the industry is not just knowing about it, it's getting your hands into the engine, working on cars. And that's what helps you understand who we're marketing to and who we're providing products to.
Tell me about this.
No fear. This is how you have to live life. Race, if you do extreme rock crawling. I mean, it's about going all out. So yeah, I am a retired boxing champion.
You're also a champion for the automotive industry,
thank you.
and we really appreciate what you do and what you do for the industry
Thank
itself.
you.
You're not only doing that, but you're also about to get into a boat.
Yes, I have a 18-year project. It is a drag boat. It's a 73 18-foot Challenger with a 496 big block in it.
That's amazing.
2 1050 Dominators with a nitrous bottle.
Can I come for a ride sometime?
Absolutely.
I would
Are we
love
going to
to
get
do
that footage when Jay comes
Absolutely.
on the ride?
I want to be in on that. You're also into two-wheelers too, right? Like motorcycling?
Yes.
Yeah.
Two-stroke motorbikes. Yep. I have an RM85. Used to be Pro Circuit's race bike. So that's how I learned to ride. You can imagine that. A little bit scary at first, a couple crashes.
I'm telling you guys, just for your pleasure, and you want to know more about her, you can go to ChristinaKwan.com. So we want to talk about a couple of new products today, and Christina's going to take us around. I am very fascinated with one, which is the cribs with the dolly, which is going to be handy for people.
Everyone loves our wheel crib. I'm just going to show you really quick. So this wheel crib, you can have from 8, 10, 12, or 14 inches high. But here's the thing. You have a car, you want to roll it somewhere, you don't want to jack it up, bring it back down, move it, and then put it back on the crib. I have a great new product here at the show for you. Here we have the crib cruiser. So look at the design. It's a little bit different than the wheel crib, right? It's got these little indent concave type of things, and this is for a wheel dolly. Anything that has a 12-inch wide roller can simply scoop this crib up, move your car around, drop it, you still got 10 inches of height. Everyone that works on cars with a shop, the engine's out, hey, save yourself a little bit of work and you can do it all in one with this solution.
These cribs and the material are all, any oil or fluid leak on it does not harm them, correct?
Similar to like a truck bed liner. So it's really impervious to most automotive fluids. Now I will warn you though, you have some brake fluid, some carb fluid, or brake cleaner, carb cleaner. It's gonna take the inking off just a little bit. So it's not gonna be quite as beautiful, but I want you to lift this and tell me how light this is.
Wow. Look at this, guys. This is amazing. This is why you need these things. If, again, like she said, if you have a garage, if you're an enthusiast or a technician or mechanic or whatever, this is what you need right here.
This right here is a Restyler Ramp. Why did we name it the Restyler Ramp? If you're a restyler, a detailer, PPF, wrapping, anything that makes you have to roll on the ground, think about having the entire car 14 inches up. How much more comfortable are you going to be? Now, we understand you might not own a shop or do this for a living. We have another little baby sister. It's called the Portable ProLift, only 8 inches high, 7 degrees. And so any low car is going to be able to drive up. Great for in your garage, personal shop, man cave. It's a great smaller unit that's great for your everyday DIYer.
Tell us about this show rock.
What we have here is a 17-inch show rock. Everyone knows us for being the low car solution specialist, but what they might not know is that we also let you display your off-road toys in a magnificent way. It comes in tan or riverbed gray. This is great for when you have suspension, articulation. It kind of shows all the neat trick that you've done for when you rock crawl. We use our solid core high density foam technology in this, so you're not lifting a boulder around, which you're never going to do. You're going to use this to display your off-road vehicles. When people have a 4-post lift, I say, I have a ramp for your lift. Because sometimes you can't get your little car on it.
Right.
And what comes with a 4-post lift? Metal ramp. So I want you to lift this ramp right here.
Okay.
So Jay,
I'm up for the challenge. I'm up for the challenge. Holy cow.
Jay, you're using 2 hands. You don't need 2 hands.
Look at that. One finger, guys. I'll even do it with my pinky. Look at this. These things are strong, guys. We've used these at shows And something that we want to point out to you guys that while, like, especially like the flat stoppers or the cribs, if you have a vehicle on that crib or that flat stopper for a period of time, you're going to see a little bit of deformation on the product, and that's doing its job. And over time, they will come back out and get back into shape, and it won't be that, you won't even notice it.
When you want something that's lightweight, you can remove it. It's got a lower angle to get that low car up. It's just a great replacement for metal ramps. And we have a lot of manufacturers and end users say, hey, this is the ramp to use for it.
Guess what? Not heavy, and they don't rust. It's made in the USA, and it is, again, their proprietary design. If you want to buy any of these products, which is you're 2 clicks away, guys, and it's linkpop.com/parts counter gurus. Click on show brands, and you'll find the raceramps.com link, as well as there is a code there. You get a discount off of anything. We want to get you on a podcast in the future too.
Awesome. So, hey, support these guys. They are amazing.
Thanks so much. Have a great day.